Welcome to our channel. If you want to add more channels to your YouTube TV subscription for expanded viewing options, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app on your device or navigate to tv.youtube.com in your web browser. Sign in to your YouTube TV account if you haven't already. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu options. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access your YouTube TV configuration and subscription management options. Step 4. In the Settings menu, click on Membership or Manage Add-ons to view available channel packages and premium networks you can add to your subscription. Step 5. Browse through the available add-on packages such as Sports Plus, Entertainment Plus, or individual premium networks like HBO Max, Stars, or Showtime. Step 6. Click on the add-on package or premium network you want to add. Review the additional monthly cost and channel lineup included in the package. Step 7. Click Add or Subscribe to add the selected channels to your YouTube TV subscription. The cost will be added to your monthly bill. Step 8. Confirm your purchase and payment information. The new channels will be immediately available in your YouTube TV channel guide and can be added to your custom channel list. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.